Welcome back to English Power Hour. Hi, my name is Shelley, and today we are going to learn about these two commonly used phrases. Number 1, toss and turn, and number 2, to and fro. So let's get right to it. In this video, I will teach you how to use these two commonly used phrases, toss and turn and to and fro, so that you can use them easily and fluently. Let's start with the first one, toss and turn. The phrase toss and turn means to continuously reposition oneself in the attempt to be comfortable enough to sleep, or more literally, to have a restless sleep. For example, I tossed and turned all night. I didn't know why I wasn't able to stay asleep. Or, every night it seems like I have to toss and turn for 15 minutes before I get comfortable. But then there's my husband, who falls asleep as soon as his head hits the pillow. Or, the baby tossed and turned all night because she wasn't feeling well. Now, let's move on to the second phrase, to and fro. To and fro is similar to toss and turn, but to and fro means a constant movement, like backward and forwards, or a back and forth motion. For example, my company kept me busy traveling to and fro between London and Paris all year. Or, while relaxing on the beach, I watched the waves moving to and fro. Or, Mary held the baby in her arms and rocked him to and fro. Okay, my wonderful students, I hope that you are able to use these two commonly used phrases in English, toss and turn, and to and fro, correctly in your next English conversation. Now, I have a question for you. What does this sentence mean? Please leave your answer in the comment section below. I was so tired after an international flight that I could not sleep. I tossed and turned to and fro before I finally fell asleep. If you have any questions, my friends, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I really do appreciate it. So have a wonderful day, my students. Ciao, ciao. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.